Hey guys, it's Michael. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're making buffalo cauliflower wings and they're so easy to make and delicious. First I'm going to clean some cauliflower and I'm going to get about 10-15 florets and I'm going to use that to be the cauliflower wings. Before I start to prepare the batter, I'm just going to preheat the oven to 400 and it's going to be baking for about 20 to 25 minutes or so. I'm just going to let that preheat and now we can do the batter. First, I'm going to just add 1 cup of almond flour to the measuring cup. Just make sure that's 1 cup. Okay. Let me add this. Now I'm gonna add some adobo. Black pepper. Garlic powder. And salt. And then I'm gonna add 1 more cup of almond milk. Just add that in here and mix it around. Now I'm just gonna get some foil and cover the pan in the foil and then prepare to batter the cauliflower. Drop a few pieces at a time in here, just to make sure it gets all that batter. And then lay it on the pan. The oven is preheated now, and now I'm just gonna put the cauliflower in here for 15 to 20 minutes. Alright, I just baked the cauliflower for 15 minutes and now I'm just gonna broil it for 2 minutes just to give the cauliflower that crisp and crunch for the wings. Alright, the cauliflower should be done now. It's broiled for about 2 minutes or so. Extremely hot, hopefully it's crispy. Alright, I have the finished cauliflower right here, and now I'm just gonna get another pan and lay some more foil out just for me to sauce. Add sauce to the wings, and then put them back in the oven after I finish putting the sauce on the wings. I have the cauliflower wings here, fully sauced, and now I'm just gonna put them back in the oven and bake them at 400 for another 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes are up now. The cauliflower is done. I'm just gonna take this out the oven. Set this down. And they look delicious. Just take these off and sit them on the plate. And there's your cauliflower buffalo wings.